Hello, welcome. Hello. Hello. Flex. Oh, please don't put that in the movie. Hey guys, welcome back to her channel. She's gonna be styling my hair or her hair. I don't know.
You don't know what the video is?
I just know my hair. I didn't know you were gonna style your hair too.
Hey guys, so as my sister mentioned, this is my younger sister. I'm going to be talking about different styling techniques. As I mentioned in my previous video, different types of hair require different styling techniques in order to achieve, the look that you're going for your wash and go. So I'm going to be styling my hair how I usually style it, and then I'm going to be styling my sister's hair because she has a different curl texture and a different curl pattern than I do. So we're going to see the outcome on both our hair. So we're going to be starting off with my sister today. I should have mentioned your name. You want to introduce yourself?
No. I'm Rosemary.
Raspberry?
Oh, Marty!
That's what I heard.
I'm Rosemary. I'm Rosemary.
Okay, so Rosemary here has she has 3 C curls, and her hair, as you can see, is very thick because this is soaking wet hair and she has a lot of it. So I'm gonna be starting off with her hair. So right now I'm breaking her hair into sections because I feel like that way for her, because her hair is so thick, it's gonna be a lot easier to coat her whole head with product. So she usually styles her hair with the raking method, but a lot of times the back of her hair gets neglected and it's a lot frizzier than the rest of her hair. So today we're going to try it this way to see what the outcomes are. I'm going to start off with the Miel Pomegranate and Honey Curl Smoothie, and it looks like this. And I'm going to coat probably with this much. Maybe a little more. I know. It smells so good. And I'm going to be using the Denman brush to help distribute the product and also to take out any tangles that she might have. I feel like you need more. I should have probably started with a smaller section. Hold on. Hold this. And then I'm going to go in with the Jelly Soft Curls Gel. Oh, that was a lot. Sorry. I miss my fish.
Muddy.
So as you can see here, her hair is very heavily saturated. Don't worry, I'm gonna squeeze out the excess product later. But I feel like this way her hair, or using this styling technique, helps me coat the majority of her hair. So like, turn your head. Like her hair never looks like this usually. It's usually like very saturated in the front and then the back is a little bit drier. But if you can look, like her hair is very heavily saturated. The curls are very defined. So this is looking good so far. If you're wondering, you know, like if your hair is going to be weighed down after putting this much product, just know that the point of sectioning your hair is to make sure that your like every strand of hair, every curl is saturated with product to avoid any frizz. But if you do end up, you know, like with a lot of product like this, like you still have a chance. You can still squeeze out the excess product with a microfiber towel, a t-shirt if you don't have a towel. But yeah, you can still squeeze that out at the end after you're done styling, which is what we're gonna do after this. So I'll show you guys in a little bit, but we're just trying, like right now, we're just trying to make sure her hair is saturated. Every curl is saturated for a more defined look. All right, change of plans. So we're gonna leave this side with the Denman brush, and then we're gonna style this side the normal way that she styles it, so you guys can see the difference.
When I put product in my hair, I usually rake it through, and I usually like first I use like this amount of product. I'm raking it through my hair. Hold on, I need to like.
You still have like stuff right there.
I need more product, so I'll add more. Now I'm using some gel. I have quite a lot here. You can't really see because it's clear.
This is the difference. This is the side that she styled herself. The normal raking method that she uses. And as you can see here, like, this is a lot more saturated with product. And then this isn't as saturated with product, but she still has a lot of length. Whereas this side...
Oh my god!
Alright. Oh. Whereas this side is a little shorter than the other side, but it's a lot more saturated. The curls are a lot more defined. I don't know if you can tell, but like, get a little closer. So the curls are a lot more defined. There's a lot more ringlets as compared to this side, where you can see kind of like more like waves. And then like the bottom is still a little frizzy, but yeah. But like, look at the difference in shrinkage. Like, this is the regular raking side, and then this is with the Denman brush. So pretty. Consider you want to keep length and we don't want any more shrinkage. We're gonna squeeze the excess product out of her hair. This will cut in drying time, and it will also give her hair a little bit more volume because we don't want her hair to be weighed down. So as you can see here, this is the side that I styled with the Denman brush, and then this is the side that she styled herself. If you see the difference in shrinkage, this looks like a bad haircut. But if you can see the difference, like this has a little bit more frizz towards the end compared to this one. The curls are a little bit more defined on this side, where this is kind of a little bit more stretched out, as you can see. But let's see after her hair dries. So Mary has a problem with frizz, and she's always worrying about, you know, her crown area and her ends because they always look puffy every time she styles it and after it dries. She styles it the way I style it, using the raking method. So hopefully you guys were able to see how different styling methods work for your hair. So so as you can see by the video, styling her hair in different sections allowed for more of her hair to get coated with product, and that way when it dried it wasn't as frizzy as the other side. Because although this side does look nice, like I personally don't mind the frizz, it looks really voluminous. I forgot what I was gonna say.
Nice.
This side wasn't as defined and moisturized as this side is, but it all depends. Like I feel like both sides look fine, but it all depends on what you're trying to look for. So if you have thicker hair and you feel like your hair gets pretty frizzy and you're not understanding why, then try styling your hair in different sections. You don't have to use a Denman brush, but as long as you're styling your hair with different sections, might help you out saturating your hair with product and combating frizz. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. We'll see you guys next time. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.